Okay, we're back. This video is a filler video of some trains that didn't make it into other videos. I caught the Delaware and Hudson Heritage Unit, which is why I'm doing this video in the first place. So sit back and enjoy some more trains of Birmingham, like this trash train or the
Delaware and Hudson Heritage Unit.
So enjoy the video. And with that being said, some transfer between Finley and Norris Yard. This transfer kinda snuck up on me, but the shot wasn't bad. Next up, we have a CSX coal train. That gave me a little horn salute. Now, I didn't get the whole train. I was really tired and had other errands to run, but it did have a double DPU, and I only noticed it when I was pulling off, but it was cool nevertheless. Alright, next spot. A random NS intermodal, and it was pretty long for a NS stack train. Alright. Time for a time lapse. Alright, next spot. Caught these Jeeps running light, and two of them are in original Birmingham Southern paint. This railroad was originally called Birmingham Southern, but was bought by Fairfield. At least I think that's right, but I grew up with this locomotive paint scheme, and I was way too late to catch the railroad in action. but at least I can see it as a fallen flag. All right, time to chase. New spot. We're right in front of the locomotive shop. I am going to try to do a video on the place, but it's no real way to do that without trespassing. But I'm going to figure something out. Maybe buy a drone or something. All right, time for what you're here for. I actually just got done working this train, so I'm fresh off my shift, tired as hell, so I fumble a bit. I catch the train pull its first cut of its 132 cars to back on to its 56 other cars. But I accidentally put the phone in picture mode and didn't get it reversing. And to put into perspective how long 132 cars is, I am about a mile from the yard, and he's backing onto 56 more. That's 188 cars. All right, here he comes. stops playing around on that throttle and punches it, and making it hard to follow. But let's just enjoy the length together. Pause. All right, next spot. I get stuck behind it, and this is where I'm struggling. The limit was 55, and this train was dusty. I only could catch it once more after. It was 8 hours late, but my goodness. I barely could get out the truck.